Hey guys, how's it going? This is Shadrach from Lucidity. In today's video, I'm going to be helping you work with Solidity and the Remix IDE. The Remix IDE is an integrated development environment like your Visual Studio. But the thing is that Remix IDE is not a native application. So you need to work with it online on your browser. And to gain access to the Remix IDE, you need to visit the remix.ethereum.org. This is it. I'll make sure I drop the link on the description of this video. Then once you visit that URL, if it's your first time, you get a workspace, a default workspace, which you might not like how it looks, but in this video we're going to create our own workspace by ourselves. So let's get started. To create the new workspace, you need to click this default workspace, then select the create a new workspace option. Then you can use any of these options right here. I'm going to use the blank one, and I'm going to name the workspace wallet. Okay. Alright, now we have a workspace. To create a folder, you need to use this second icon, create a folder action icon. Then writing a folder name, I'm going to leave this one as contract, because I'll be writing my smart contract in here. And to create a new file, you need to use this file icon, click it, then give it a name, wallet.so. The .so is the Solidity extension. And to close this area, you can just use this file explorer. You can tap it, and tap it to open, tap it to close. Now I have enough space. You know I like space. Big. Alright, first things first, you need a license identifier. My license should be the MIT. The MIT is an open source license, so anybody can use it. SPDS license identifier. I'll use MIT. Then you can put a semicolon, else you shouldn't put a semicolon. Alright, you need to specify your Solidity version, compiler version. So I'm going to use the Pragma. It's supposed to have a Pragma Solidity, and I'm going to use 0.8.4. 0.8.4, then a semicolon. To declare a contract, you use the contract keyword. I'm guessing you already know that. Then followed by the contract name. Giving this a wallet contract, even though we are not going to be building a wallet right now, but I'm just trying to give you a tour of Solidity world remix. So you can compile this right now and it will work fine. But I want us to do something. I want us to show the contract address of this particular file. Alright, to do that I'm going to use a function show my contract address. It's going to be a public function, and it's a view, and it returns an address. Then I want it to return address of this contract. Alright, just like your PHP, Solidity too, semicolons are really important in Solidity. If you miss a semicolon, expect error. Alright, let's compile this. You can compile using Ctrl S command. Okay, you can see I have an error. So let's check it out. It says my compiler version is different from my smart contract version. So how can I fix that? Okay, come over here to the compiler side. Then look for the one that has 0.8.4. Another thing we can do is you can actually change this to 0.8.0. Then change this contract to 0.8.0 and Ctrl S to compile. Alright, it worked. It's done compiling. So your compiler version in your smart contract should be the same as the compiler version you have you set as your remix compiler. And then you can see it returned another error saying it expected semicolon. So let's fix that. Put a semicolon here, then hit compile. This time everything should work fine. Compiling. Alright, if you get a green check mark here, it means your contract compiled successfully. Alright, this out. Remix gives you 10 accounts with 100 ethers each, and these 100 ethers can be used for deploying smart contracts or carrying out other transactions of your choice, but you can transfer them to your externally owned account because they are fake ethers. And you can now deploy this wallet. Check this out. I just call this a wallet. It's a contract. Wait for it. Alright, looks like it was successful. The deployment was successful. And if you check down here, you see deployed contract. Click on this wallet. Check this out. You have a function which if you click it will return your contract address. Alright, and you notice that your contract address is the same thing as the address over here. So whenever you need to copy your contract address, just come here, hit the copy, and you have it copied to your clipboard. Alright, if you made it this far, congratulations on deploying your super wallet, and I'll catch you up. No, you catch me up on the next video. See you there.